Morena, Tamarikima, Fano, and Kaiko. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to do lots of moving and dancing, so stand up, give your bodies a little bit of a shake, a little bit of a wiggle, and let's go. The first song we're going to sing today is Mahunga, pakihiwi, puku, hopi, waewae. Do you think you can learn those words with me? Okay, let's go. Mahunga, pakihiwi, puku, hopi, waewae. Mahunga, pakihiwi, puku, hopi, waewae. Mahunga, pakihiwi, puku, hopi, waewae. Oh, now some new words. Taringa, karu, waha, Should we do those new words again? Taringa, karu, waha, Should we sing it again? Mahunga, pakihiwi, puku, hopi, waewae. Mahunga, pakihiwi, puku, hopi, waewae. Mahunga, pakihiwi, puku, hopi, waewae. Taringa, karu, waha, One more time, a little bit faster. Ready? Okay, bodies wiggle. Deep breath. And let's go. Mahunga, pakihiwi, puku, hopi, waewae. Mahunga, pakihiwi, puku, hopi, waewae. Mahunga, pakihiwi, puku, hopi, waewae. Taringa, karu, waha, Oh, paki tamarikima, well done. Okay, now we're going to do a song that I learnt when I was at preschool, just like you guys are. Do you know the Hokey Pokey? You do? Oh, that's great. Okay, ready? Let's warm our bodies up. Give your legs a shake. Give your arms a shake. Give your puku and your bottom a shake. And let's go. You put one arm in and the other arm and put it out. Put one arm in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about. You put the other arm in, you put the other arm out. You put the other arm in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. And that's what it's all about. You put one leg in, you put one leg out, you put one leg in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about. You put the other leg in, you put the other leg out, you put the other leg in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. And that's what it's all about. You put your head in, you put your head out, you put your head in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. And that's what it's all about. You put your whole self in, you put your whole self out, you put your whole self in and you shake it all about. You do the hokey pokey and you turn around. That's what it's all about. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. Whoa, the hokey pokey. And that's what it's all about. Oh, excellent work, Tamarikima. Kapai. You guys are number one. You're the best. Okay, well, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've used up a little bit of energy and ready to go and have a run around outside. Stay safe, stay healthy, look after your family and have lots of fun. Kia pai tora, have a good day. Ka kiti ano, see you soon.